He is eating lunch at his desk when he opens his calendar. It is that kind of week, the kind where every hour is already taken. A colleague is coming in from out of town. He will be here for 2 days, and they need to meet. There is an upcoming project, and there are things to discuss in person. He starts going through the schedule. Some slots are TBDs or placeholders, things that aren't confirmed yet. But when he compares them with his colleagues' availability, nothing lines up. The hard bookings are locked in. There's no moving those. He checks each one and rules it out. There's an all hands on Tuesday. His colleague will be there, but so will everyone else. There's no chance for a proper one-on-one conversation. He keeps looking. Then he notices one optional meeting that fits both their schedules. It's only an hour, but it's the only window that works. The meeting belongs to another colleague. He sends her a quick line message explaining the situation. She gets back to him almost immediately. Of course, take the time. He messages his out-of-town colleague. I think I found a slot. Would 1 hour work for you? His colleague replies quickly. That works. I'll send over some documents before we meet. If you can read them beforehand, it'll help us move faster. He agrees. The documents arrive that afternoon. He reads through them before leaving for the day. The next day, they sit down together. The meeting runs smoothly. They cover everything they need to, and they finish with a few minutes to spare. 1 hour had been enough after all.